Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your OkCupid account to increase trust and credibility on the dating platform, follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download the OkCupid app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or access the website through your web browser. Step 2. Log in to your OkCupid account using your registered email address and password. Step 3. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or the profile icon in the bottom navigation bar. Step 4. Look for the Verify Your Profile option, usually found in the profile settings or under a verification section. Tap on this option. Step 5. OkCupid offers several verification methods, including phone number verification and photo verification. Choose your preferred method. Step 6. If verifying by phone, enter your mobile number and wait for OkCupid to send you a verification code via SMS. Step 7. Enter the verification code in the designated field within the app. For photo verification, follow the on-screen instructions to take a selfie matching a specific pose. Step 8. Submit your verification request. OkCupid will review your submission, and once approved, your profile will display a verified badge. Step 9. Check your profile to confirm that the verification badge is now visible to other users, increasing your profile credibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.